I want to dance. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today's gonna be one that's extra specially awesome because not only are we getting to try out a new product from this brand, but this is also the first time we're ever testing out this brand, and that is COLORPOP. This is their Frozen collection. It's one of their items that I received as a gift for Christmas. Thank you so much to my sister-in-law, Andrea. I'll post the video up above of everything that I got for Christmas if you're curious. But today we're going to be especially digging into this one. I am just so beyond excited, you guys don't even know. This is going to be so fun. I haven't swatched anything. Well, I did swatch a little bit of one thing. Mostly we haven't done swatches. So I'm gonna show you swatches of those. This is how it arrives. You get this super cute packaging, of course, with Elsa on the cover. She just texted me out of the blue one day and she was like, Elsa or Anna? And I was like, I'm gonna go with Elsa because I like those colors better, but I had no idea what she was talking about. Really quick before we open it, I want to tell you guys what the price is. You can get this from COLORPOP or from Ulta. Unfortunately though, I don't think it's available at Ulta right now because I'm only seeing the Anna collection, which is $31.97 for everything in here. Let's open this beauty up. I'm so excited. Okay, so we have the eyeshadow, which has the same color cover on there, and that is of Elsa. And then we have this lipstick, which we will look into later. Lip gloss, which again, we will do later. And then there's also the loose glitter. Man, I just love the box. This box is so stunning. So stunning. This is such a fun gift to receive. It even shows you on the back like everything that's in here in the layout. I have heard such good things about COLORPOP as a brand, and that their products are just really good, and they actually make everything they make it as it's ordered. They don't have like a mass production, which I think is super practical because then there's less waste. Already primed with the Urban Decay priming potion or primer potion. So pretty. Oh, stop it. Oh, and it has a mirror. Oh, that's so nice. I'm gonna peel off the sticky. I wanted to open it with you guys. So we have a couple really pretty colors in here. This one honestly looks identical to the Tati Beauty palette. I might pull that out and swatch them side by side so we can see the color differences, because this seriously looks identical to one of her shades. And then that one especially just grabs my attention so much. See how I'm already wanting to just swatch it all. This shade, that's super pretty for a transition. That'd be pretty for an outer corner. That one's just awesome. Ooh, I might put that like maybe under the eye. That'd be kind of fun. Just a little pop. Usually if there's a light shade like this, like white one, I would put that all over the lid just as like an even base. But this one has a little bit of micro shimmers in it, so we're not going to use that. I'm just going to use my Palladio rice powder instead. I'm just going to take some of that on the brush. I think I will use the mirror in this palette. Obviously you guys can tell I already did my entire face. My brows are done and everything, but we haven't done lips or eyes. So those will be the two that kind of focus on today. I love this translucent powder. It's so inexpensive and it works so well. It doesn't dry out your skin. It's huge because you don't want those dry patches and stuff, and it doesn't oxidize anything. This is just so good. I think I'm gonna take the shade Fire. I wanna see what Fire looks like. Look at this just on the back. That is so beautiful and so smooth. Oh man, I'm very okay, so let's take a little bit of Fire. I'm just gonna tap it on the crease. This is a bigger, more stubbly brush. I wanted to kind of be able to kind of pack on the color a little bit more, so we're gonna just push that in there for right now, and then we're gonna go back in and blend it in just a second. Oh my gosh, that color is gorgeous. Wow, and it blended so oh my gosh, stop it. Have you tried COLORPOP Cosmetics? I'm sure you probably have. It's such a popular brand. What is your favorite item from them? I've heard their concealers are super good. You'll have to let me know because I'm super curious to try out more. You guys are my favorite to ask for makeup suggestions, to be honest. My family doesn't wear lots of makeup, so I have maybe 1 or 2 friends that I will go to for like makeup suggestions. Otherwise, I ask you guys. I'm always curious about what your go-tos are. Tell me down below which ones you love because I would love to go out and try them. My mom, though, is like just starting to get into makeup, so I gifted her some of my palettes because I have so many eyeshadow palettes. I gave her some of the ones that have like more neutral shades because I feel like neutrals are the perfect shades for beginners. I mean, colors are super fun, but sometimes they can be a little bit challenging to work with. So I think getting used to wearing like neutrals on your eyes. This one is actually looking a little bit like on the warm side for sure. It's more of like a rosy tone on the eyes. I almost thought it would have more of like a purpley, more neutral undertone to it, but this is definitely a little bit more rosy. I'm not mad though. I think that's super pretty, especially with an olive green top. That is a really, really beautiful color. I'm gonna build it up a little bit higher. I have very hooded eyes, so I like to build up the color a little bit higher. I'm gonna get addicted to ColourPop now, and I'm gonna want everything. Ooh, okay, so it looks like Awakened, this one, is just a little bit lighter than Spindrift. So I think I'm gonna go in with Awakened, just a little bit. Let's do just this one, because it's pretty small, so I'm gonna take a little bit of that, just kind of all over. Wow, it's so pigmented too. I'm like barely tapping. A little bit of fallout. I feel like that's pretty normal. Okay, so let's just go very light. Holy smokes. That is so pigmented. I'm gonna move some over to the other eye because that is a little darker than I wanted to go. I need to watch the new Frozen 2 movie. Have you guys seen it? I've heard that it's very good. I'm going to take a little bit of the pigment off of the brush just by using my color switch. And that way we can go back in with the same brush to just kind of blend it out. And it won't have any, if hardly any, pigment on it because this stuff removes it very well. I'll post a link to that down below. I don't know if it'll be for the exact color switch one. I'll find one on Amazon that can be comparable to it though. Because it has been so handy ever since I received it in my FabFitFun box. I use it like every single day. Wow! I keep saying that over and over, but it's just so nice. I love trying out new brands so much because you never know when you'll find something that's just like, wow. I'm gonna take our brush that we used Fire with, and that was that like really pretty light rosy tone. And I'm just gonna go in and kind of mesh those two colors together. Hi, honey.
Hi, wife. How you doing?
Good. How are you doing?
Good. How do your videos go?
I'm just doing one right now.
Okay. Bye, sweetheart.
Bye. All right, so now we're gonna move in with our next color. I'm gonna take this really small brush from Morphe. This is the M507. This is my favorite brush to blend the outer corner with. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Spine Drift. I think that's what this is. And then we're gonna work it in right on that outer corner and just blend, blend, blend. The swatches I feel like are gonna turn out so, so pretty. Might as well just show those now so you can see what they look like, and then, oh man, this is just so pretty. I cannot get over this. Thank you, Andrea. This is the most fun little collection ever, and it's just so effortless to blend. I always have the most trouble with this eye. Always skips. Like every single time I do any eyeshadow with any brand, doesn't matter what primer or anything I use, always, always, always skips on this eye. Don't know why that is. All right, I think I'm pretty happy with that. That was super, super effortless. That was super effortless. I'm pretty happy with how that's looking. So I'm just gonna color switch my little brush. I want to do the blue on the lower lashes, so we're gonna go in with Winter. I'm gonna take that on a smaller, kind of flatter brush, and we're going to do that right under the eye. Cannot wait to put on the sparkles. I'm gonna take the smudge brush and go in and just kind of blend that a little bit more. Let's see this silver. Oh. Look at that silver, you guys. I mean, just look at that. Dreamy. Let's do some of that under the eye too. I'm gonna just take the same smudge brush. Why not? Let's go crazy. We'll pop some of that, just kind of tap it. The coolest thing about this, just as I'm using it, I'm realizing that it's not overpowering the blue. Like it's kind of making it look like it's like blue sparkle. It's not so much turning it completely silver, which I actually appreciate because we liked that color underneath. Okay, hold on a second. Color switching. All right, what is next on our agenda? I think we need to apply glitter glue. Let's swatch this. I haven't had a chance to dip into this. It says that it's a gel. It's really, really pretty. Just kind of, ooh. I don't think we'll need glitter glue for this because this is a very wet formula. That's just so pretty. I'm curious though with this shade. There's the shade Flurry. That's very similar to that one. Oh, wow. I wonder... I know what we're gonna do. I have a plan. Let's go ahead and just apply this right on top of the lid, and then we were going to do Flurry right on top of that. All right, let's just dip into this a little bit. Should we do a brush? No, I like to use my fingers, so we're gonna dip into that just a smidge. I just really don't wanna go crazy. I do wanna go crazy, but not insane. All right, let's just pat this on. I just wiped off that finger, so now I'm gonna go in with Flurry. I'm kind of like patting it on my finger more so than rubbing it because it is very loose. And then let's pat that right on top. Holy smokes, you guys. I should have, oh no. I should have put down powder before we did this. Glitter, glitter everywhere. I wish I would have applied a color underneath this just because I didn't take into account how translucent that actually would be. I thought it would be a little bit more of a solid color after I put it on. So I know that we're kind of done, but I think what I would have done is either apply this one on the lid before we put that down, just so it would be more of a vibrant pop and you would see this really pretty white, kind of a pink hue under that, or even Northern Lights, which oh my gosh is so buttery. So maybe this one I would have put under the lid, or that one, either one of those two, just to really give this a pop. And I'm so tempted to put that on the other eye. I want to take Northern Lights just with my ring finger, and we're gonna put that all over the lid over here, just so we can see how that gel will look underneath or on top of something other than just my eyelid. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I need everything ColourPop ASAP. Andrea, what did you do? I am so hooked on this now. I like want to dance. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. Wow, makeup is so much fun. Again, with the Palladio rice powder, we're gonna put that under the eye so we don't have to worry about fallout this time. This video is probably gonna be so much longer than I was intending it to be, but it is so worth it. I mean, this is our first ColourPop experience, you guys. I can't help like the excitement that I'm feeling. Let's apply this and see how it looks underneath that shadow. Look how it's so reflective. Okay, let's see. It's even prettier, if that even was a possibility. This is like a mermaid experience right now. I'm sorry, you guys. I know I'm not sorry. I'm not going to apologize for my excitement because it's just fun. There's too many things in life that are negative, so when there's just fun positives like this, I think you should embrace it. Now that we've released our inner like majestic mermaid, let's wipe away the fallout really quick. Forgot about the fallout. I mean the powder. All right, I'm going to take a little flat brush and dip into Cuddle Close. And we're going to do that in our inner corner, just right here. So we'll get to experience almost all the shades today. Have some more little sparkle fallouts. I guess that's just a downside of the sparkle, is there will just be fallout. The only color we didn't use in the entire palette today was this one called Gale. And that's a really, really beautiful, almost just like a lighter shimmery lavender. I don't know if you guys can even see that. You'll see it in the swatches which one that is, but that one is gorgeous as well. So that's the only one that we didn't get to use today. I definitely think that this would have looked better either with fire all over the lid over here, or I really love it on this side with the Northern Lights. Cuddle Close would have been really pretty. Oh my gosh, if we would have put that silver down, that would have been like a dramatic pop. That would have been so much fun. I'm gonna apply my liner and lashes and mascara, and then we'll come back so we can do the lips. All right, so I actually just put on liner and mascara, and then I applied the liner for the magnetic lashes. I'm kind of having some troubles with them today. I used them the other day and they really worked very well. So I think I might just need to wait for the liner to dry for a little bit longer. So while we wait, we are going to put on the lip products. This is the shade Little Snow. It's a gorgeous cream. This is definitely like kind of one of my go-to shades. I think I have some that are similar to this, but definitely not this exact one. So let's just do, oh my gosh. That is so pretty. And it was so buttery. I love it. Before we put that on, I'm going to use a little bit of this Jeffree Star Velour Lip Scrub. I just got this in the mail today, so I'm very, very excited to try it out. Ooh, this would be really nice mixed with the one I got from BoxyCharm. Oh, wow, that's so gritty. This is in the shade Blue Freeze. I don't even know shade would be the right kind. This is in the type. This is in the flavor Blue Freeze. That's very tasty. Oh, my lips feel so smooth. That is good. I'm excited to mix this with the other one I got in. I think it was our BoxyCharm that we got the other one in. I don't know. Do you guys remember which one? I think it was BoxyCharm that we got that other, like, super expensive. I think it was a $20 lip scrub. This one's only like $12, and I love that. It's way more scrubby than the other one. I don't know if I have a lip liner that would work with this. I'll just use this one from Buxom. This is like my general one that I use with like all of them. So let's just use this one. This is in the shade Hush Hush. Let's put this one on now. Let's see how she goes. So pretty. Hold on, I goofed in one corner. I love this lip color. It's beautiful with the olive green. I think the shade Awakened is almost just a little bit too pink for these lips. I do think they look really pretty just like on their own. I think they look gorgeous against water, which was the blue. This color would be pretty. The silver would be super, super pretty. These ones would be really beautiful as well. I just think that this one is just a little bit too pink. I personally probably wouldn't pair this with like just the pinkier shades in that. But regardless, so pretty. Let's put on the lip gloss as well. Oh, this tastes so good. This isn't too sticky. Oh, hi. It's the new me. As I proceed to just get lipstick all over my teeth. Hi. It's the new me. Okay guys, this is the final look up close. I have to say I am absolutely in love. If you didn't tell already, all of these are just so pretty. I am 100% in love with this. I cannot wait to try more from ColourPop. Just give me all the ColourPop things. I will take them all and test them all out for you guys. I'm definitely going to stay more in tune to when they release new items and see if I can get my hands on them so we can kind of just test it out. I've heard their concealer is also super good, so I want to experiment with that too. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. This was so much fun. I have to say I definitely like the glitter better on this eye than this eye, and I've totally forgot that I have 2 other videos to film. So so you'll see this exact eye look in 2 other videos, but that's fine. I think it's super fun, so we're gonna roll with it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. It would be so much fun to see you on here, and comment down below what your favorite ColourPop product is or something you'd really like to try out, because I would really love to go and try out some more too. Alright you guys, hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah.